Hi everyone, how's it going? Hope you're doing well. Today I'm back with this new unboxing. So I welcome you once again to my channel, Festus Tech HD. It's all about tech concepts, computer skills, and educational content. So this is my unboxing. I shopped with Jumia. Safe shopping, safe delivery to my home where I stay. So if you also want to do shopping with Jumia, it is very easy. All you have to do is to get the application or use their website and make an order so that you get your products delivered. So big things first, let me get this gigantic blade. It's going to help me cut this polythene. Their packaging is normal to me these days, and nothing exciting about the packaging. These are the shipping details. These are the documentations. That one I just feed it off. I'm sure we have a return form regarding all the products that I just purchased. So these are the products. So words are very small, can't be seen. Delivery note, this is the invoice. Nothing to do with that as per now. Let's just cut this thing. So this is our tiny packaging inside. Let me see if we've got any other details. Yes, we've got some other product here. This is it. 128 GB memory card, micro SD card. This is from Samsung. 128 GB SDXC. That's the product specifications, and this is a high-speed transfer memory card, so you can transfer data at very high speeds. I'm going to test it out whether it is functioning very well. This is the packaging with the memory card packaging alone. So we've got another tiny box here. Let's see what's inside the box. So I have to cut this. Let me cut from this side. And also this. So here we go. Here is the tiny box inside. So it's very tight. So this is what we have. Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 gigahertz. Some detail there. Cut off this. These are Bluetooth headsets, similar to the AirPods, so they are supposed to be functioning very well. So this is the box. I'm opening the box. It is very tight, so you can also order yourself this kind of headsets. So they are at great discounts on Jumia. So I guess I have to remove this top part. Simple as that. This is the packaging. So we've got the headsets here. Let's see what we've got inside here. We've got a charging cable, ear cups for changing in case you have small ears, and the user manual. So that's all we have inside this box. But let's see this product here. So as you open the box, They are just lighting. Let me open my device here to see whether they are functioning very well. Putting that aside, so here we go. So they have battery with them. I'm just opening the case. Software update. Some features of this audio accessory require a newer version of iOS. So these are just clones for AirPods. They work just as the AirPods. So set up with limited functionality. Since I don't have iOS 13 or 14. So they are connecting audio accessory. I've just had the sound connected. They are at 66% and they are charging. So when you check the batteries, they are going to be here. They will be appearing here. So AirPods Pro, 66%. They are working normally as expected. So here we go. In the settings, where are they? Bluetooth, AirPods Pro connected. I just have to rename them. Everything works. They look like the original AirPods. So this is all with this. So the unboxing is done. Let me show you about my order. So the order is just perfect. These things look great. They look nice. Noise cancellation will be working automatically. As you can see, sound effects. Everything is just working. Even Siri is working. So I don't need that as per now. Hey Siri. I don't need that. So how to order with Jumia is very easy. If you also want to do an order, you just have to get the application for Jumia. Here it is, or just use the website Jumia. Just open your browser and then type in the address for Jumia, Uganda. So this will load. You sign up, then you'll be able to check your orders. This is the memory card here with my orders. Checking details. So it has to be working very fine. These are the AirPro 3 wireless Bluetooth earphones, and this is the memory card. So I had another item here, so that one is already delivered. They were delivered all today on different delivery agents. So the memory card here, it is out of delivery, so they are not yet updated. So AirPro 3 wireless. These are headsets for iOS and Android, so everything is just okay. Nothing to complain about. The packaging is perfect and the product is also perfect. So they are at a discount of 43%. You can rush and purchase yourself one like this. Let's see the other product. So 128 GB memory card, micro SD. So this is an original card from Samsung. So the original price is 199,000. As you can see, 199. But you can get it at 49,000 currently. So this is why I purchased this, to upgrade my phone. So let me test it out whether it works very fine. Let me just insert it in a phone here, very fast. This is it. So it's packed in a case. This is a case. If you ever lose this case, and this is a storage case, so once you lose it, just know. So this is the card here, 128 GB. So let me insert it. and turn on the phone and test and check. So I've just inserted it inside this little phone. It's a Windows phone. So it's booting up. Let's see if it is going to recognize the card. So this is my case. I have a similar case for another card of 512 GB. So it also worked very perfect. I store documents there and also movies. So it is a great tool for storing your data. Let's give it a moment as it boots up. So one thing I recognize with such headphones, they don't work with Windows phones. They only work as connected voice. So only microphones will work, but music will not play from the phone to the device. So we've detected an USB card. Do you want to store new apps or photos, downloads on this card? Tap yes to store the files on your SD card and go to storage sense, where you can configure your storage preferences. So yes, let me just tap yes. So, let me give it a moment as it loads up. So let's check this storage sense, the configuration for the card storage sense. So here it is, SD card, 1.19 MB is used, 119.96 GB free. So it is working very perfectly. So 119.96 GB. So it is working very fine. So that's all with this review about the Jumia unboxing shopping. So hope you enjoyed the video. Once again, if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe for more cool content, cool videos about tech, and also remember to comment about this video, like and share. So tell a friend to tell a friend. Thank you for watching up to this point. Thank you. May God bless you. See you in the next video. Bye.